Prophet of Truth has found the Ark. Our only chance of stopping him is a surprise aerial assault. Clear this sector of Covenant anti-air defenses. Make a hole for the Admiral's ships. Good hunting. Keyes out.
Ready when you are, Chief. Open the door, take point, we'll cover you with the 50.
With my gentle encouragement, our Lord slowly rises.
Chief, open the door, we can roll on through.
Shotgun! Any results of their witness to the glory, their dull eyes will soon be closed. Seared by the
Steady!
Open her up, sir. We've got your six.
Keep moving!
Kilo 2-3, this is forward unto dawn. I need a sit-rep, Commander.
Atmospheric disturbance is intensifying above the artifact, Admiral.
Sierra 117.
Moving as fast as he can, sir. I know he'll get it done.
Wraith is dropping bombs on us! Ghost!
Let's get going, sir. Admiral's waiting for us to clear the anti-air. That away, Chief. Target destroyed. Move to the next area. Over.
Kilo 2-3, this is forward unto dawn. I need a sit-rep, Commander.
Atmospheric disturbance is intensifying above the artifact, Admiral.
Sierra 117.
Moving as fast as he can, sir. I know he'll get it done.
You will die! Now you die!
That away, Chief. Target destroyed. Move to the next area. Over.
This one has claws.
Just keep coming!
Check your fire! Chief! Flush him out, sir. We'll nail him with
They got reinforcements!
Over there!
Hurry, before any more Covenant show up!
Didn't even break a sweat. We're down to our last mag, sir. Thought those last ones had us.
Got a phantom overhead!
Come on! Let's clean them up!
I have defied gods and demons.
Room for
Mount
one more.
up, rockets and back. You gotta move fast, hunt hard.
We got anti-air raids in the next lake bed, Chief. One down, one to go! Have been neutralized. Stand by. Something big closing in on your location.
One more target, Chief. It's a Covenant AA gun in the next area. Take it down and Lord Hook can start his attack run.
There was honor in our covenant once, and there shall be again.
We've got this area locked down, sir. Follow us. We'll get you through.
I am your shield. I am your sword.
Somebody give me some morphine!
We've got tangos!
Pardon the intrusion, just being careful.
Fall back, everyone!
I would like an orderly retreat, quickly! Hey! What do you ever do to you? Oh, God!
Goodbye! Look out! Grenade!
Frag out! That space ape's got a big damn You great big blot on the landscape!
Focus on fire on the demons!
My brothers, only our enemies should fear this great storm.
Look out! Grenade!
Flashing fire of all that remains for them when we, the worthy, have passed beyond.
I will not be shamed. Not again. Not by you.
Chief, Hood's ships are closing fast. Destroy that gun. We're out of time.
The monster is still coming.
We got problems.
Look! More of them! God, I can't stand it! I can't stand it! Run! Get out! Get out of here, go! They're gonna kill us! We're gonna die! They're coming! Look out! Look! They're coming!
Son of a bitch!
Chief, that gun's been firing non-stop. It's gotta be running hot. Wait for it to open up. Vent its excess plasma. Shove some lead down its throat.
All ships, fire at will.
did Truth just do? Did he activate the rings?
No, sir. But he certainly did something.
Evac wounded and regroup. Wherever Truth went. Sir, new contact slipping in.
What is it? More brutes?
Worse.